like a white girl.
Get the retainer where it belongs.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog today. Coming at you from the car. Got you all mounted up there. And it was an awesome weekend. Tons of stuff going on. Lots of fun. Of course, we brought you guys along to all of it. Heading, quick trip to Annapolis. Meeting with some clients, getting them things going, kind of boring stuff. We'll probably warp all past that. But I just wanted to come at you guys real quick, to say good morning. I hope you guys had a great night's sleep, or you had a great day, or you're having a great lunch whenever you happen to be watching this. As you can see here, we are pumped up, all the different pieces and things we're working on. We got tons of stuff going on. Shaun Shenanigans to SSSR, all the reptiles, tons of stuff booked. We're traveling again this weekend. I mean, it is awesome what's going on, and it's just a testament, to hard work and pushing through, and I still not where I want to be, and worry about things and this and that, but I know where I'm going, I know where I'm heading, and I'm working for it every single day, and little by little, we're getting there. We're getting there. But like I said, I just wanted to come at you guys real quick this morning. We definitely got some great stuff for you today. But one thing I want to say, and I love it, Brian Barczyk, he talks about it all the time, just the little things to be successful, and just what you have to do, and you have to work, man. It takes flat out work, and then if you're going to be successful, pretty much in any industry, and outside of a few things, you're going to have to sit in some of this. Yeah, in some traffic this morning. That's why I'm coming at you guys, passing the time. It's pouring my heart out a little bit. But enough with the rambling. Like I said, we are doing our work. We're getting to where we need to go. Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. Let's have a great day. Man, let's make it worth it, and let's, I say it every day, man, let's find a way to let ourselves have, what we all deserve, what we're all able to have. I'm working on it, you can work on it. Let's get this day started, man. Let's just get to it. Alright guys, warping past all the boring stuff. We're back from Annapolis. We took care of all the meetings and stuff that we had to do down there. Just pulled up at the gym. We're gonna warp again some more. Sorry guys. I just want to kind of keep you updated on where we're at during the day. What goes on outside of the fun stuff that you guys see here on the vlog. I got some goals, got some things that I want to take care of. Not leaving. But yeah, just showing you guys kind of what we do, outside of, like I said, outside of what you guys see in the vlog. We're gonna knock out this gym session real quick, and then we got a couple things to do later on this evening. We'll be able to bring you guys along and have some fun. It's gonna be kind of another chill day, not another big event, probably not till this weekend. Like I said, we are doing some traveling, but we'll definitely find some things. Actually, you know what guys, since it is another chill day, while I go hit this workout, why don't you guys just check out some pictures and some footages of a couple weekends ago. We built all the archways for Macy's and for Six Flags, so you guys check that out. I'm gonna hit this workout and we'll come back at you guys in a little bit.
To the grand opening of the Macy's Backstage store here in Fairfax, Virginia today. Before we let you guys in, I want to introduce to you all a couple of people who made this day very possible for us. My name is Tia White, and I'm the store operations manager. This is Miss Latoya Bradley. She is the backstage store manager for the store we're opening today. I want to introduce to you a couple of people on the left here. Mr. Nelson Flores is our store receiving team manager. He made sure all the goods you're about to shop today are in the store and made that possible for us. And then we have Mr. Avanti and Miss Sam. These two are the backstage store leads. And then we have the associates, Aisha, and I just met you a couple. Moella. So they're here with us today too. So I want to give them a round of applause because thank you guys. Couldn't possibly without you all. So today we have fun things in store. We have a DJ, we have a selfie station. If you take a selfie, you'll get a free water bottle at the table. And then we also have scratch-offs for you to scratch off and see if you can win up to $25 off. And then you have free tote bags. So with no further ado, we're gonna cut the ribbon.
Guys, we're getting a little multi-day vlog today here. Wasn't able to finish everything yesterday, but so we're gonna bring you along. We got some new stuff that we have to do today, so you guys saw we got to hang out. A couple things yesterday. It was fun. A couple stops before we just wrap up sort of all the stuff we need to do out and about today. We are here at Home Depot. We gotta get some stuff. Part of the toilet broke. We're gonna get that fixed up. Then we gotta hit. We're getting to the grocery store. Grabbing some stuff to cook tonight and tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. So when you guys will see this, it'll be the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I hope you guys have a great day and a great holiday. Be safe. But I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna get the stuff we need. And we're gonna get back. We're gonna show you guys. Man, my whole shirt's coming apart here. We're gonna show you just different things we prepped for Smalls, the green iguana, a couple other guys. Stick with us and stay posted. Let's go. Right, Home Depot check. Got a couple things. Hopefully we can get this toilet up and running and knock it out. Now like I said, we just have to run over to the grocery store and pick up all that stuff. We might swing into Walmart. I need to find some worms for the box turtle. You know, she eats little things, and we're trying to get her a good variety, and I heard that they'll eat worms, so we're gonna grab some of them, get things going, and off to our next stop. Alright, pulling up here at Walmart. I think we can get through it just like this. And I was right, boom, we're done. Super fast, in and out, all we need to do. So now we're gonna get this stuff loaded up in the car, get home, and try and finally relax. All right guys, the last couple things picking up for dinner before, I know I've been saying it before we could chill, but we're pretty much chill mode, grab a couple things. We're gonna make some stuffed peppers tonight. We're gonna run through real quick, grab the stuff, get home, get cooking. I'll show you guys what we do to prep for Smalls and some of the animals. That'll be chill time. Like we're gonna watch Blockers tonight. So let's get to it. As we see, it's about to rain here, and we're getting ready to get done cooking. And that's why you always got to be careful. Look at this little guy I found here. I'm not sure what he is. I'll look him up for you and tell you guys later. But just bringing back the trash cans, I found this little buddy. Yeah, he's probably, you know, a few years old. He's not quite adult yet. I know these guys will definitely get a whole lot bigger. But we're gonna go put him back behind the shed, you know, so where he won't get run over, get stepped on by anyone. But man, it's awesome this summertime, guys, when you get to see all the wildlife. Look, isn't he so cute? Look at his little eyeballs. I'd love to keep you as a pet, little buddy. Well, we're gonna put you back. And we got some collard greens here, and I saw this from one of the other guys, but if you take it and you grab it here, you can pull that stem right out. And boom, you can cut it. Again, you right there, break it. Pull that bad boy right out. Then we'll chop these guys up here, just get them nice and fine. I mean, nothing too perfect, you know. They'll be able to rip it, but I just like to cut it up in a little smaller. Get a little bin and I put it in here. So I do a layer of that. Of a carrot. Peel that initial skin off. Take the ends off. And then guys, I have a grater here. I literally just, actually I take it in here. You can see it looks like that. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the vlog. Have a great day. I know I kind of had to rush through prepping the food. I'll do a better video of that soon and bring that guys to you on kind of one of our slower days. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, a great night, a great evening, and again, happy 4th of July. We're going to do more July stuff today. You guys will see that tomorrow. But thanks for being here. Definitely please hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you know when we post. And again, you guys are worth it, you deserve it. Just find a way to go get it, guys. See you tomorrow.